There was a man who is full of passion and dreams in his sparkling eyes. But he is no more with us. It is rightly said that once the person becomes invisible from our lives, we come to know his or her value. On June 14th, he committed suicide. It's a huge loss for us.
जान आपकी सबसे कीमती चीज।
भाई मत ऐसा वैसा स्टेप मत उठा लेना। ऐसा क्यों कहते हैं मुझे? क्यों मेरे दिमाग में डालना चाहते हैं कि आप सुसाइड कर लीजिए? तो ये सुसाइड के लिए प्लान मत।
पर ने मेरी आत्मा को ठंडा कर दिया, आत्मा को निचोड़ दिया है। दिल तक तो बात पहुंचती है, लेकिन
An engineer, an actor, a dreamer is no more within us. But there are a few things that I wanted to share in his memory. Number one, you have to dream big in order to test your potential. Sushant Singh Rajput has proved everyone that in order to become great in life or in order to achieve things which you wanted to achieve in life, you need not to come from a really big family. You need not come from a really big city. All you need is your talent and hope on you. This is Sushant's theory. Being a small town boy, he tasted success at a very early age. Mind may be saying to you that, man, this is not going to happen because there is not at all a connection between that thing and me. But my friend, if your gut says that you can do it, if your mind says that you can do it, if you feel like you can, if you believe that you can do it, if your conscience is telling you that you can do it, my friend, you can actually do it. So one thing that we learn from Sushant's life is that dream big in order to test your potential. Number two, there is no rule of shortcuts in life. If you really want to be successful in life, you have to work hard without fail. That's for sure. Not everyone is born with that silver spoon, but if you have passion, if you have that if you have that fire in your eyes and your brain, believe me, no one can ever dare you to stop you. Mark my words. And this is what Sushant Singh Rajput has exactly done. We miss him, but after recollecting all those things and going through that all his history, we come to understand that this man is simply amazing. In this competitive world, you need to stand out from the crowd in order to achieve your goals. Number three, you must challenge your stability in life. Sushant has challenged his stability, from a TV star to a Bollywood superstar. He had that vision in life and that consistency towards his goals. Starting his career from a TV serial actor to a Bollywood serial superstar, he has come a really long way in order to fulfill his goals. This is something which is really valuable to learn from Sushant Singh Rajput. Number four, convert your dreams into reality through consistency and hard work. Sushant quickly realized his love for self-exploration. So, right from his college days, he started attending Shiak Dharma's dance class. He studied in the morning and attended his dance classes at night. And then because he needed to move to Mumbai, he quit his college, that too, it's an engineering college, during his third year of engineering, and went to Mumbai to pursue his dream, his goal. Chased his dreams and made his dreams come true. Chase your dreams and make them come true. This is what Sushant, has taught us from his hard work and consistency. Number 5, perform your duties for happiness. In an Instagram post, Sushant has, talked about happiness and how to attain it. Knowledge brings humility. From humility comes worthiness. With worthiness, one attains wealth. With wealth, one is able to attain his or her duties in a more effective way. And in performing those duties, one attains happiness. This is what Sushant Singh Rajput, mostly stressed on. You can see all his Instagram posts as to, he does something, he watches moon with his telescope, he sometimes spends his time with some of his Instagram followers, because making them makes him happy. That's it. This is something that Sir Sushant has taught us. This person will always be remembered in our hearts. With a lot of positivity, consistency, hard work and patience, he made everything which he wanted to become true. No matter where are you from, what's your background, and things like that which our haters put on us. You have will within you, there is a way waiting for you. Sushant sir, you will always be remembered.
From the sky, the troubles fade away when you fly. You were born to try, never say goodbye. Just say